We're repping the Mariners.
Who's your favorite Mariner?
Ichiro.
Well, we have a surprise. He's here.
What? Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I'm gonna make Seattle chicken teriyaki faster than delivery. I think it is possible to make Seattle chicken teriyaki beating delivery, kind of breaking a sweat. They're probably gonna be so busy.
Hello.
Oh, hi. I was wondering if you guys have chicken teriyaki.
Yeah.
If I order, how long is it gonna take?
That would probably take about like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
For delivery?
Oh, no. Yeah, for delivery.
That just depends on the app.
Okay. Thanks.
So, it's on its way. All right. Okay. All right, so first, if you haven't made rice in an Instant Pot, it is a lifesaver. So I've got rice here. Oh my goodness. Seattle chicken teriyaki is native to Seattle, and it is so different from any other chicken teriyaki you'd get in any other city. You always have a side of rice, a salad. The mac salad is creamy and sweet. There's a lot of Hawaiian influences here because of the Pacific Northwest. The keys to a really good Seattle chicken teriyaki are a sweet and smoky chicken, a thick and sticky sauce, a creamy and sweet mac salad, and a tangy and crunchy side salad. The rice that you'll get from the teriyaki is just standard white rice, so we're not doing anything fancy here. 1:1 water to my rice. And then while I'm here, I'm gonna get water for my pasta too. And then I'm gonna make the chicken marinade. So I've got a small pot here. I'm gonna put soy, and then I'm gonna do rice wine vinegar for the tangy and the acidic flavor. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take this off to go faster. And brown sugar is gonna help with the stickiness. This is the sweetness factor to the teriyaki. I'm gonna add some dried shiitakes, and then I have konbu. This is dried seaweed. To add more flavor, I'm gonna get my blender ready for us when we're ready. I'm gonna need a grill pan for grilling the chicken. We've got cabbage and carrots for our cabbage salad. And I've got chicken that we can marinate. I'm pretty sure that they're marinating their chicken overnight, so they've got a little leg up on me, but I think having some extra sauce on the side will really help kind of bring back that flavor that we're looking for. And I think next is the cabbage salad, right, while I'm waiting. So depending on the restaurant, you'll usually get an iceberg lettuce. You might get cabbage as well. I'm using cabbage because I like the flavor of it better. It's a lot more sturdy and it holds the dressing. My sauce is almost boiling. Carrots, we're actually gonna use 2 ways in the mac salad and the cabbage salad. In the cabbage salad and the mac salad. In the mac salad and the cabbage salad. Cause there's trains. My sauce is bubbling. The ginger is something that is very specific to the Seattle chicken teriyaki. Traditionally, chicken teriyaki doesn't have the ginger, and so the ginger is something that's been added on. I'm gonna just drain out my shiitake and konbu. I don't wanna blend this in the blender with that on. Oops, just kidding. The raw flavor of the ginger and garlic really comes through in the marinade, so that's why I don't actually heat it up. All right, time check, 18 minutes. All right, I'm gonna marinate my chicken. So I've got boneless chicken thighs here. I'm gonna use 3/4 of my marinade. And then I'm gonna save 1/4 and put back the shiitakes and konbu and let that thicken up. All right, chicken is going to sit here and marinate. My pasta water is starting to boil. Elbow macaroni, which is super classic for the mac salad. That's gonna go in. And the thing about mac salad that makes it even better is that you have to make the noodles extra cooked. If they're still crunchy, it's not gonna be creamy. Got my chicken marinating, my cabbage salad, and I'm actually gonna get my grill pan hot while I'm here. All right. The cabbage salad is super simple. It's literally just carrots and cabbage. And personally, my favorite part of that whole salad is the dressing. It's pretty sure I could have that dressing on everything. time check. 8 minutes. Holy f. All right, I'm gonna get the chicken going because that's gonna take a while to cook. 13 minutes. Okay, well, all right. Chicken's going in the pan. You can hear it sizzling. I'm gonna switch it because that fire's hotter. I'm gonna start getting the things ready for the mac salad, which are the carrots and then yellow onion, which provides a nice sweetness to it, and to also add some texture, bite, and crunch. Yeah, time check. 10 minutes. I've got 7 minutes on the Instapot, so that's a good sign. My pasta is going. You can see the sauce in the back is starting to thicken. My chicken's going on, and now I'm just gonna make the sauces. The dressing is really special because it's so simple. It's QP mayonnaise. QP only uses egg yolks, and it also has MSG, which is amazing. It's a lot creamier in texture, and I like the flavor because it's a lot sweeter too. I'm gonna use some apple cider vin, and that's gonna help cut it and add more flavor to your mac salad. So you can see the nice char. That's what I want. All right, and then last but not least, sesame mayo dressing. Sesame oil is really strong, so don't use too much of it. I'm gonna use QP. That's gonna add to the creaminess, rice wine vin, and then sugar. So an aspect of this dressing is that it's more sweet than regular. So you wanna find the balance between the sugar and the vinegar. Salt, and to add more flavor and umami, our soy sauce. I picked the smallest bowl to do this, but it's okay. You can smell the chicken. Just trying to break down the mayo. Oh my God, that's so bomb. All right, I'm gonna drizzle this on the cabbage. Oh yeah, time check. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I think we might got it. Instapot is done. I have beautifully cooked rice. My noodles are overcooked. And that's what we want. Drain them over here. And I'm gonna rinse it with cold water. I'm slowing down the cooking processes and cooling it because you don't want a warm mac salad. 1 minute, 40 seconds, we might be ready for plating. So I've got my mac, my onions, my carrots. I'm gonna add my mayo dressing. Oh my gosh. All right, I've got my large plate, 30 seconds, oh my gosh. All right, chicken is nice and charred. 30 minutes is up, but I have all the components for my chicken teriyaki. And the sauce. All right. And there's our chicken teriyaki. So I'm just adding a little bit of sesame, but everything bagel mix has sesame, onions, garlic. It's so good, but sesame seeds on top are nice. Whew. The delivery hasn't shown up yet, so I think it is possible to make Seattle chicken teriyaki beating delivery, kind of breaking a sweat. I am pretty confident in the cabbage salad and the mac salad, but I'm really excited to see if the chicken teriyaki took the marinade that we made. Okay, I think it's the delivery. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's compare. Their teriyaki looks a lot different than mine. Their sauce is it's a lot brighter than mine. It's not as dark. So I wonder if there's less soy in this. This is their mac salad. It's a lot smaller than mine. And then their green salad is a cabbage salad. Oop, there's water in it. And then there's dressing. Let's taste it. It's still the sesame creamy mayo, but I think they don't add soy. That's why it's so bright. Which one would you eat? All right. It's cooked really well, but it's really sweet. Coating is really, really sticky, which is a good note. It has the teriyaki flavors, but decisively sweet. I don't have any notes of smokiness on this teriyaki at all. The mac salad has the black pepper, carrots, and the overcooked mac. I don't think that they're using keepy mayo, but it definitely tastes like a mac salad that I've had before. And the cabbage salad, the iceberg lettuce salad. It's still pretty crunchy. The dressing comes through, but it kind of gets watered down. Now I'm gonna try our 30-minute Seattle's chicken teriyaki. And is the char. I think that my dressing could have definitely been a little bit more sticky because I should have added more sugar, but I think the flavor is gonna be there. You can taste the notes of ginger. There's that smokiness. I'm gonna dip it in a little sauce. Now that's the chicken that I remember growing up eating. That's really good. Next up, I'll do my mac salad. Just by looking at this, I definitely probably could have added more mayo, but the apple cider vinegar definitely comes through. There's kind of a brightness to it. Even though we put the dressing on a long time ago, the cabbage is still crunchy. It's pretty good. I think I did an okay job beating it and beating delivery. All right, so the 4 keys to a Seattle chicken teriyaki are a sweet and smoky chicken, making sure that my grill pan was nice and hot to be able to get that nice sear on the chicken. A thick and sticky teriyaki sauce. I think I could have added a little bit more sugar to help it become a little bit more thick and sticky, but the flavor definitely was there. A sweet and creamy mac salad. So I made sure to overcook my noodles. This is probably the only time that you don't want to have al dente noodles because that overcooked noodle is going to add more creamy texture to your salad. And a tangy and crunchy side salad. The rice wine vinegar that we put in the sesame and mayo dressing brings brightness and flavor. The iceberg definitely showed up a little bit more watery. It was a lot more soggy. I think using the cabbage adds a really nice crunchy texture that you know is going to hold against the dressing that you make. If I had to rate myself between a 1 to 5 star bag, I would give myself a 4. I would have been a perfect 5 if my sauce was a little bit stickier and a little bit thicker. I think for the perfect marinated chicken, it would be an overnight marinade, but I think everything else is pretty good, so. I really think Ichiro would be proud.